so good to be in front of the camera again. And Juno says that she's been waiting. Do you guys see? While you guys are gone, she's our perfect student. Doesn't she almost sit like a student should? She sits there. She's like, where are my friends? They're supposed to be in the classroom right now. Now, I hoped you voted last week on what outfit Juno's going to wear, because on Wednesday, for that light show, it's Wednesday, December 16th, from 6 to 8, you can join us for that light show. Juno's going to be wearing that. She also might have a couple... Do you want it like a necklace of lights? Is that what you're thinking of? Would that be right up your alley? Juno says, yes, that would be amazing. Now, the other thing she's asking for is, she says, when can I have my treat? She says, when can I have that treat? When? She says, I want it. She says, I want it so much. Okay, I'll give you that treat. Now, Juno, she's my little lap dog. I like to pick her up and throw her all over the place. So, Juno's our fun little pet. All right, are you ready? Oh, she'll sit for this. Do you see? And up, up, up. Oh, such a good girl. She's taller than probably you when she stands up. Look at that over there. She's saying, yummy, yummy, that treat over there. All right, so my friends, I hope you've been noticing this pattern over here with our pieces. We're still working on the base 10 blocks. These are our pictures. We're going to be learning like 4 or 5 different ways how to add, because we want to be able to know a whole bunch. So we really need to go good with the strategy. This one's the easiest one. We're going to now get a little bit harder and a little bit harder. So just know this one, if you're like, oh, this is easy, I can do it in my sleep, good, okay? Because it's going to get harder. We're going to move into expanded form next. But let's look at this. Do you guys notice how we go 90? And then you get to 100, and then look at this, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And then you get to the next 100. Do you see this? Whenever you're counting by tens, do you see how our tens stay right there? A lot of times our friends like to go 90, 100, 101, 102, 103. You just went from counting by tens to counting by ones. So make sure, because we're going to really be counting when we're looking at 80 plus 60. Ooh, we have to be able to count by tens. So let's go 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. If you can't count by tens past 100, you got to practice that. All right, here we go. We're going to come on over here. Ooh, I'm going to grab a cool pen. Oh, I'm going to come and I'm going to go. I got like pretty much the exact same color. I got to switch. Oh, blue. All right, here we go. I'm going to go 1. I'm going to count. Do you see how my tens? I'm doing them right over here. I'm going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, because I'm making this 80, and then I'm making 2. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So today we're going to do some problems where we have too many tens, but you're going to be fine with the ones. The next day, tomorrow, we're going to work where there's too many ones, and then we got to switch it all over. So just know that we're kind of going easier, and then it's going to get harder and harder. And eventually, you're going to be able to do this with hundreds, and you're going to be able to draw up thousands, so it's going to be crazy. Okay, so Mrs. Ragsdale was telling you we got to start with the bigger number. Which one, 82 or 65 is bigger? So definitely it's 82. So we got to come on over here. Let me grab a different pen. I just left all my pens. We got as many colors as me. Let's go with it. So 80. So we got our 80. How many more? 80, 90, 100. So I'm going to need to come on over here. I'm going to need to come grab this, and I'm going to come sneak on over here. And I'm going to grab, you guys got it, 2 more. So I'm going to come on over here. Then I got to cross this out because I got to 10. And when I got to 10, I got to say, go away. You can't be 10s anymore. You're not going to be 10s. You're going to instead be 100. You guys see how we had too many 10s? So we had to change it to our 100 right here. So now, let's come over here and let's draw this. Here we have 100. Do you see this? Now I don't have any of these 10s, but don't forget about those 1s. But we're not to 1s yet, we're to 10s. How many 10s do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many 1s? I got 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I got 2 more. 1, 2. So let's go see how much we have. So I have a 1 in the hundreds place. I have a 4 in the tens place. And I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have the number 147. Now you can always check your work because look, think about this again. 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Did I end up with that 140? And then I added my ones right there. All right, let's come on over here and let's come do this one over here. Now this one's going to be an easy peasy one because nothing. If you look 40 and 50, doesn't give me 10. I'm looking at 2 and 5, doesn't give me 10. So this is going to be an easy one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to be easy. All right, let's go draw our 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because I had 5 here and 4 there. That gives me 9. Let me draw my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because then I got my extra 2. So let's go see. I got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So close to 100, but I'm not there. So I got 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I end up with 97. So now let's look at this. Which number is greater out of these two we just did? 147 or 97? You notice they both have the same number in the ones place, but that's not going to help us because these little guys are so teeny. So our bigger number is the one that has the larger thing. Does this have any hundreds? Now let's just think about this. Who would win? 100 or a 10? What's bigger? Would you rather go to the store with $100 or would you rather go to the store with $10? I think right there I solved it. Okay? You buy a lot more things for Christmas right there with 100. So right over here, if I'm going to draw, I'm going to make my big alligator eating the 147 because 100 is always going to be larger than if you just have tens and ones. All right, so now we're going to come on over here. And once again, I thought I'd put page numbers on this, but I didn't. Now for this, you only have 2 pages to do. There are going to be these pages right over here. And then if you look, you only have another page front and back. And this is going to be the slightly harder one. Not hard enough for my friends because you can do it. But so let's come look over here. Ooh. All right, well, let's go start off with an easy peasy one. So let's come over here and let's look at 20, 2, and then 30, 6. Now think about it. 20 plus 30, does that give me 90 or give me 100? Nope. 6 plus 2 gets me close, but not quite. So let's go draw this over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because I drew my 20 and my 30. And then let's come over here and let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then draw my last 2. So let's go see how much we got. I think we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we got 50. So I got 5 10s and 2, 4, 6, 8 and 8 ones. Let's go see that right over there. All right, now this is going to be one that's tricky but not that tricky. So let's go look. We got 81. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. And then I'm over here with 48. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I got a problem. I can already tell you. I got a big problem right off the get-go. When I go 80, 90, 100, I have too many. I have way too many. Ooh, so I need to come over here. Now, would I grab the 40? Because 40, I'd have to grab a whole bunch. Why don't I just do the easiness? And I'm just going to come. Oh, I got a red pen. That's exactly what I'm looking for. I want to come over here and I want to grab the 8. And then I leave my 1 behind because am I going to take 10s and a 1? Nope. And then if I have 80, I just need 90 and 100. Just 2. Now I'm going to take these guys, I'm going to cross them out, and I like drawing this arrow. You don't have to, but a lot of times it lets me know I drew it because eventually we're going to have a lot of hundreds on our page, and you're going to have to be able to do that so it turns into that 100. I like crossing it out because I know you're gone. So now let's come on over here, and I have 100. Oh, I got to draw my 2 10s, and I almost got too many 1s. Let's look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got so close to having to do something with my 1s. All right, let's come over here. So we have 100 and 28. So 128. I'm going to do just one more. I'm pretty sure you guys are rocking at this one. Ooh, let's come on over here. Let's do this 53 plus 92. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see how fast I get with this? And then 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3. Did you notice they both have 3 ones? That's pretty cool. All right, but now that I have this, I know 90. If I just have one more and I have too many, and I know I have way too many. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna grab my 90, 100. I just need one more. So let's come sneak around the ones and let's just grab one. Cross it out. What am I gonna make? I'm gonna make an arrow and I'm gonna draw that 100. All right, let me draw my new number. So I have 100. I always have to start with my biggest thing. And once again, I'd rather go to the store with 100 than with my ones. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. And, oh, let me go 3 and 3 more because they both got 3 and 3. So I know I have 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 40. Ooh, 6, because 3 and 3 is 6, so 146. So when you get all the way finished with this and this back page, you're going to be taking a picture of this back page and submitting it for your journal. So let us see how you're getting. Now, I know this strategy is super easy in class. This is one we get really fast and we move on. But it kind of gives this idea that if you have too many of something else, you have to then trade it to the next thing. You have to carry it. So this is going to really build into the way your parents know how to add and subtract, but we're going to know like 4 or 5 different ways when your parents probably only know like 2 ways. So you just wait. You're going to be able to blow past your parents with what you know. All right, you guys enjoy. I hope we see you Wednesday with our light show on the 16th from 6 to 8. We hope you see there. Juno's really hoping on it. All right, see you later.